So today's video, I will show you how to make these cute beaded earrings. So let's start. Our materials are Miyuki 11O gold seed beads, Miyuki 11O seed beads. This is Ivory, and this is also Ivory 80 seed beads. We will use Sono beading thread and Miyuki beading needle. We will need our ear hook and jump rings. So let's start. So I will pick 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 8 seed beads. Pull it down, and I will pass the needle again and knot them. I will make it for 3 times of knotting. You can make it for 2 times, but I will do 3 times. Reform them. So we're exiting here, and I will pass the needle to the next 8 seed beads and cut the tail thread. So the next step is I will pick 11 gold seed beads, and I will pass the needle through this to the next 8 seed beads, and I will do it all the way around. 111 111 111 and 111. So this is the last one, and I will pass the needle to the next right next of 8 seed beads and 11 seed beads. I will pass it until to the third 11 seed beads. So like this. And the next step is I will pick 111, 280, and 111. So we are exiting here, and I will go back to this gold one like this, and I will pass the needle to this, go back to this 11 and 80 like this, and I will pick gold 11, pass the needle to this 80 and 11, and I will skip this gold one, and I will pass the needle again to this 11 and 80. Reform them to make it some kind of a butterfly, and pass and skip this gold one, and I will pass the needle to this 80 and 11 like this. So I will pass the needle through this 11, 80, and 11 like this. So we will make the next unit. So I will pick 111, 280, and 111. I will go back to this gold seed beads and pass the needle back to 11 and 80. Pick one gold and pass to the next 80 and 11. And skip this gold and pass the needle to this 11 and 80. And skip this gold one and pass the needle to this 8/0 and 11/0. This. And I will pass the needle through 11/0, 8/0, and 11/0. So we will do it the next unit. We will do it all the way around with the same process. So I will make it more faster that I can. And pass the needle here to these 3 seed beads and pick 1, 11/0, 2, 8/0, 1, 11/0. Skip the gold, skip the gold, and pass to 8/0 and 11/0, and pass to these 3 seed beads and pick 1, 11/0, 2, 8/0, and 1, 11/0. So this is the last part. Pass the needle to these 2 seed beads, pick gold, 1 gold, pass the needle to this 8/0 and 11/0, skip this gold and pass the needle here, and skip this gold again and pass the needle to this 8/0 and 11/0. So we are almost done, but we are going to attach our jump ring and ear hook. I will do it once more. And I will pass the needle again to make it more tough. And take on 1/2 inch 2 times. So we are going to cut the thread. And attach our jump ring and ear hook. And we will attach the jump ring onto this gold one and to this ear hook. This is very simple and very easy to make, so you can make it for any kind of color. You can use also blue, you can also use red one or yellow. So done. This is our earrings tutorial for today. I hope you like it, and if you like my videos and project, please don't forget to subscribe and a thumbs up. So thank you for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye!